Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing a Keto Avo Strawberry Shake. So quickly let's go and see the recipe. Almond milk, natural, unsweetened. 1 cup fresh strawberries. Half cup avocado. 1 cup ice. Last MCT oil. In a blender, first we're going to add about half a cup of almond milk. To that we're going to add 1 cup of fresh strawberries. 1 cup ice, 1 cup avocado, a cup of water, one tablespoon MCT oil, and you can add stevia, which is going to be optional. So if you want, you can add stevia. If not, no stevia. I'm adding 1 small teaspoon of stevia. So first you're going to add little strawberries. To that we're going to add a Keto Strawberry Avo Shake. Top it up with some strawberry. So as you know, it's extremely hot in Mumbai in summer, so it's my perfect recipe or my perfect breakfast for everyday morning. It's really refreshing, loaded with vitamins, loaded with antioxidant, and going to keep you in your stage of ketosis. It's really fulfilling and provides you a lot of satiety. That means you do not feel hungry quite often after you have this shake. Also, it's lactose free and it's vegan. So all of you, please enjoy the drink. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek score pilates, high intensity videos. So everything you require on one platform, that's Body Pro Coach. Thank you so much.